In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Notion. If you use Notion databases for notes, tasks, projects, or content planning, you've probably noticed that long text can sometimes get cut off in a table view. Instead of seeing the full content, you may only see part of the text in each cell, which can make it harder to read your information at a glance. The good news is that Notion gives you a simple way to make text wrap, so more of each entry is visible directly inside the table. To get started, open your database table in Notion. Make sure you're in the table view where your rows and columns are visible. This setting applies to how the content is displayed in that database view, so it's important to begin from the correct table. Once your table is open, go to the top right corner of the database and click the three-dot menu. This is the View Options menu, and it contains several settings that control how your table looks and behaves. If you don't immediately recognize it, just look for the small three-dot icon near the top right area of the database. After opening that menu, look for the text wrapping option. Depending on the version of Notion you're using, this may appear as Wrap All Columns or Wrap Column. The wording can vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. It allows longer text to continue onto another line instead of being cut off in a single row. When you find that option, turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, the text in your table should expand within the cells and display across multiple lines where needed. This can make your database much easier to scan, especially if you're working with longer titles, descriptions, notes, or status details. If your table suddenly looks taller after turning this on, that's completely normal. Wrapped text takes up more vertical space because each row adjusts to fit the full content. That extra space can actually make your database more readable, especially when you want to review information without opening each item individually, and that's all it takes to wrap text in Notion. Open your database table, click the three-dot View Options menu, find the wrap setting, and switch it on. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your information is displayed.